Hello and welcome to the Vercammen Legal Podcast. This edition we are talking about New Jersey inheritance taxes and in particular when a tax is due. So if someone is a spouse, a child, a grandchild, a parent, or stepchild, then there is no inheritance tax at all. If someone is a brother or sister, the first 15 of 25,000 is tax free. After that, then it's taxed at 11%, and if it's not paid within it's either 9 or 8 months, then there's a penalty. They don't even call it interest; they call it a penalty. If monies are going to a charity, no tax. If it's going to any other human on the planet, there is no tax. The taxes are at 15%. Charities, no tax. So if it's going to a cousin, nephew, niece, a friend, someone who you could be living with someone for 20 years and you think there's a common law marriage, New Jersey doesn't have common law marriage. So even if you own a house together, the tax is at 15%. It's kind of like, a rare reason to get married. So logistically, what happens is the attorney will prepare what's called the New Jersey inheritance tax return. So they ask questions about, tell us about all the real estate, tell us about your bank accounts, stocks, bonds, etc. Life insurance is not taxed because that's technically not owned by someone when they pass. But if someone had a 401k, SEP, IRA, if it's going to someone, even though it goes directly to them outside the will, and they are not what's called a Class A beneficiary, there's that inheritance tax. There's sometimes things that if someone makes a transfer more than 3 years before they die, then there's no inheritance tax. But if it's transferred within 3 months to someone who's not Class A, then the inheritance tax still applies. These have to be filed. Then Trenton, the Inheritance Tax Bureau, Division of Taxation, usually then will contact the attorney to say, hey, we need more documents, because you got to start by sending them a copy of the will, a copy of the last income tax return. If there's no tax that's due, sometimes it's an old person that hasn't filed an income tax return for years, and they goes, okay, we're not going to chase you on that. But if a tax is due, they're going to say, well, then you got to go contact IRS and get it. That's your job. So for more information on the New Jersey inheritance tax, visit website njlaws.com. That's njlaws.com. And for representation in probate and inheritance tax matters, contact Ken Vercammen's office at the main number 732-572-0500. Thank you. Have a great day.